In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the 3 things that'll kill your eBay business faster than you can imagine. So stick around. Welcome back, guys. My name is Phil, also known as the King of Thrift. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things that'll kill your business faster than you can imagine. But before we get started, if this is your first time to my channel, you're looking to work from home, be your own boss by buying and reselling on eBay, then you are in the right spot. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now because that's all I do here. I have been reselling on eBay for about 18 years full time, make a very good living. This channel is devoted to helping you guys crush it on eBay, to helping you newbies get started out there, make a full-time income or just a part-time if that's what you're looking to do. Without further ado, let's get right into the topic, guys. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna tell you that will kill your eBay business really quickly, guys, is bad pictures. Now bad pictures can mean any number of things, but the main thing that you want to remember when taking pictures is to make sure that your lighting is on point. Lighting, guys, is everything. It's everything when you take pictures. So that's why I do recommend to a lot of newbies, to you guys, to take pictures outside. You know, if you can take pictures outside, I mean, that's awesome because, you know, natural light is gonna be the best light. You can take them outside, take them by a window. And if not, then you really need to invest in a good lighting kit. And if you will click on my link down in the description section of this video, I do have a lighting kit that's really good for the money and it's gonna do the job very well. And like I said, it's gonna save you a lot of cash because there are tons of lighting kits out there. And as far as trying to find the right one can definitely be trying. So check that out if you don't have lights already. All right, guys, now the second thing that will kill your eBay business faster than you can imagine is going to be buying the wrong merchandise. And now that sounds simple, like a no-brainer. Obviously, you know, these YouTube channels are full of lists as far as what's selling, what's a hot seller, the top 10 this, the top 10 that. And the reason those videos are so popular is because everyone wants to know what's to sell. And if it were that simple, guys, I mean, you could just jump online and find out, well, what's hot to sell and what's not. I mean, because obviously what's gonna happen is everyone who's watching is going to buy those items. And what's going to happen is obviously the price of those items are going to go down and down as more and more people are offering them for sale. So, you know, and as people get into price wars. So the price goes down. And believe me, guys, I've seen this happen. I saw this happen about 12 years ago with neckties. And that is a video for an upcoming video, and it's basically going to be, so keep your eye out for that. That video is coming up, and it's how I made $20,000 a month selling one item, and that was neckties. But like I said, right, guys, buying the wrong merchandise, I'm getting off track. Buying the wrong merchandise is going to bury your business. Like I said, it sounds simple, but one of the things I live by in this business, not as much anymore, but when I started out, because I lost so much money, you know, on a regular basis, and that was, when in doubt, do without. If I was going to buy, in other words, if I saw something I wasn't sure what it was going to sell for or whether or not it would sell at all or anything, then I would just leave it. I would recommend that to you guys also. When in doubt, do without. If you're not sure about it, just leave it. It is okay to take chances every so often, but if you're taking chances every time you go out, that really adds up to a lot of money very quickly. So be careful, research your merchandise before you purchase it. Okay, guys, third and final tip for things that will bury your eBay business. This one is a 2-part, and that's basically pricing your items too high or pricing your items too low. Now, both of these can be detrimental to your business. What you want to do is you want to find the sweet spot. And finding the sweet spot is, again, is going to be doing your research, doing your homework, and knowing your items, knowing what you're selling, knowing their value. That being said, just make sure that you know, you're not pricing them too high, because if you are, you're going to scare people away, and they're not going to come back because they're going to say, you know, this guy's store, everything in there is too expensive. He's got this price ridiculously high whenever, you know, the going rate for this particular item is X, and he's got it priced at Y or Z. And then again, guys, on the flip side of that coin, pricing your items too low can also kill you, especially if you're selling clothing. And I know there's a large portion of you guys listening and you are selling clothing. Now, when you're selling clothing, it's very important to know styles, to know trends, to know all about fashion, guys. The more you know, the better for you. But if you're pricing them too low, what's going to happen is you're going to sell your items, but they're going to sell under value. Or if you're listing them at an auction, if you're listing your clothing as an auction, that's also a mistake, guys. That's a freebie. That could also kill your eBay business, unless that particular item is really in demand, which isn't very common with clothing, unless you're talking about Supreme or some other bull brand I got going on right now. But regular brands, classic brands, they're not going to be they're not going to sell like hotcakes, you know what I'm saying? And unless you got Air Jordan retros and all that other, you know, what everyone else is selling. Pricing it too high, pricing it too low, price your clothing too low, you're going to lose tons of money. You're going to sell everything under value. You're going to make money, but you're going to end up losing in the end. With clothing, that sort of business model, with clothing, you have to know your prices. You got to price them in that sweet spot. You list them as a buy it now, you're going to do good on clothing. If you heard anything in this video that helps you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you have not subscribed already to this channel, what are you waiting for? I have over 100 plus videos on how you can crush it on eBay, how to get started on eBay with no experience and crush it, guys. And I got something very, very special coming up for you very, very soon. I haven't really decided as far as how it's gonna go down, but this is something that I've been working on, and I know it's gonna help you guys tremendously. This is an awesome resource, and it's definitely needed in this saturated world of resellers and YouTubers. So be on the lookout for that, guys. For all my returning subscribers, thanks for all your support. Thanks for the continued support, guys. I'm pushing 6,000 subs, and that's because you guys are awesome. You guys support me, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I hope you guys will continue to support this channel and support me in my endeavors so that I can bring you more good stuff just like this. Thanks again for watching, guys, and
I'll see you in the future.